Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and tap on About Phone. Let's keep tapping on the MIUI version, and I know it may be quite confusing, but we have to first of all activate the developer options, which is more if you want to learn more about the developer options. I highly recommend to check our video about them. I've just recorded it and you can find out more info about the developers. So after activating it, we have to scroll down to the very bottom in the general settings and tap on additional settings. Scroll down again and tap on developer options, and basically here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. In my case, this option is turned off, so just tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really have to remember about manually updating your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.